Hi friends, welcome back to Math and Focus Singapore Math Student Edition Course 2A. Here we are on chapter 1.6, Order of Operations with Integers. It has two parts, apply and real world situations. So basically we'll be doing only one part because as you know this is part of our independent practice. We won't be solving any sums over here, right? So what does this apply say? Let us understand that. First, it says that we need to solve the brackets. Okay, first step when you have this kind of equations, first thing you need to open up the brackets. It means you need to solve whatever is there within the bracket. Then it says we need to solve the exponents. Well, until now, we don't have in this chapter anything about exponents. We won't get into much of it. As and when we have it, we will deal with it, okay? And then next it says from left to right, start doing your multiplication and division. So first you do multiplication and division from left to right, and once that's done, you go to the next step, which says from left to right again, do your addition and subtraction. Okay, I'm sure you remember your board math rule, right? So this is division, this is multiplication, this is addition, and this is subtraction. Brackets. Okay, so that is it, and you with this you just do the whole chapter. Okay, so let's understand this with the help of an example. Let's say an equation -7 minus 2 plus 1 times 4. Okay, so let's try and solve this equation. So first we'll put -7 as it is, minus. So we do the brackets, right? First is brackets. So bracket is 2 plus 1, which is 3. And this is times 4. Okay? So now, next is multiplication, right? So this is multiplication. So we write -7 and 3 times 4 is 12. And this is plus and this is minus, right? So this will be minus. So 7 and 12, same signs, right? So you add them and you put the respective sign. Okay, this all is from our previous chapters. So this is how you solve it. Let's take one more example for better clarity. Let's say -2 plus 5. Let's have brackets now. 4 minus 2 plus 10. Okay, now this equation we can solve in two ways. Okay, so let's do both the ways here. I'll copy the equation first here so that I can use it easily and make things clear. So here, now what do? We put -2 as it is plus 5 as it is because we'll be solving the brackets first, right? So this is 2 and here 10. Fine. Then we go multiplication and division, right? So -2 remains as it is. 5 times 2 is 10 and both are positive. So this is positive plus 10, right? So again, you can do -2 and plus 10 as plus 8 and then get this here, and this is 18. So this is the answer here, right? Let's go the other way. And this is -2. I'll copy the equation again here. 4 minus 2 and plus 10. In this case, what we do is this 5 is multiplied with the whole bracket, right? So everything inside the bracket gets multiplied. So we multiply 5 with 4 and we multiply 5 with 2 also. Okay, so this is called as distributive property. Distributive property. So basically, you distribute this 5 in the sense that you multiply this 5 with each of the elements within the bracket. So next is -2. 5 times 4 is 20. This is plus, right? So plus and plus gives us plus. Then 5 times 2 is 10, right? This is plus and this is minus. So plus times minus gives us minus, and this number here as it is. Okay, So let's go this way. So minus 2 and 20 becomes 18. Larger minus smaller in the sign of the larger. Minus this plus this will get cancelled, right? Minus 10 and plus 10 is basically 0. So your answer is 18. Same as here. Okay? It's the same answer. So either you go this way or this way. If the question particularly says you need to use distributive method, and this is the way. If it's not mentioned, you can go either of these ways and solve your equation. So this chapter is only this part, knowing the process of application, like what comes first. So brackets, exponents, multiplication, division, and then you have addition, subtraction. And just apply this to solve your equations. So this chapter is just that much. Isn't that simple? Like, it's so simple. Just one thing, just understanding this process, and it's done. Okay? So have fun, enjoy your math. Any questions, any queries, please feel free to comment, and I'll try my best to answer. Okay? Have fun. Thank you very much, and look for the other videos which will help you understand other subchapters and also help you deal with independent practice. Bye bye.